Hey dolls, so I'm back. It's a motherfucking berry, just in case you didn't know. And today I just filmed a quick little, cute little tutorial on how I basically turn myself into the baddie that I am, and I upgraded myself because everybody always asking me, can I do your makeup? No, I'm not gonna do your makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, but I am a bad bitch and I know how to transform into a bad bitch to a badder bitch. So I can show you that. Yeah, this is very quick, very easy. All the products that I used, you can get them from Walmart, pretty much. Only thing that I got that's like from an actual makeup store is my Jeffree Star and Morphe, but you can get that from Ulta Sweetie or buy it online. It's not that big deal. You can use the e.l.f. which I used earlier from Walmart. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye dolls.
If I ain't that bitch, then they hit. Cause me and my bitches, we lit. Heard these bitches was talking that shit. On a net, but in person, a bitch. Yo, nigga, I'm calling him sis. Cause that nigga, he really a bitch. Yeah, that nigga was loving me, sis. It never was touching me, bitch. Yeah, these niggas obsessed. How they follow the dawn, now these niggas is pressed.
Okay, so right here, I'm just taking my Salon Perfect little dip brow and I'm going to flatten my brush and dip it in there. And I'm just going to line the top of my eyebrow with this. To fill in my eyebrows, I use 3 different colors. The Salon Perfect dip brow, then I use this, I think it's a L'Oreal eyebrow brush, and then just a dollar little brush from Dollar Tree. You could literally just use the eyebrow brush from Dollar Tree, but I'm extra and I like to use 3 brushes, so... So right here, I'm just taking that L'Oreal pencil and I'm filling in my eyebrow where there's the obvious gap where there's no pencil filled in. And then I'm just going to blend it out with a spoolie. Then I'm taking that dollar brush, I'm sharpening it, and then I'm going to fill in the bottom of my brow and blend that out also. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. This is a lighter color, but I only use it for the arch of my brow. To conceal, I'm going to start in the arch of my brow with a light color. Then I'm going to finish the rest of my brow with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 344. Now what I'm doing here is just taking my spoolie and also my finger and blending out the concealer around my eyebrow. I'm starting off with the edge and the spoolie, then I'm using my finger to do the rest. I'm going to go back in again with the spoolie, which seems pretty self-explanatory, but you know.
Now I'm taking primers. I'm taking my e.l.f. primer. I don't remember what primer this is. I've had it for years and it's still lasting me very long. It's super cheap and expensive. I would recommend it. Then I'm also going to take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is also a really good primer. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha primer, but I've never used her, so I don't know. I use 2 primers because I really like that glowy look, and my skin gets a little dry when I put makeup on, so it really helps to bring moisture back. Here I'm going to take my 2 foundations, which is my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 344 and 322. I'm going to use 322 on the highlighted parts of my face, which is under my eye. Then I'm going to use 344, my matching skin tone foundation, on my chin and my cheeks. And I'm just going to blend that out. I don't use foundation on my entire face, just the parts where I want to cover stuff. And then I blend it out, and I never wear foundation on my forehead. Then taking my beauty blender and blending out my foundation, starting with the darker colors and going to the light. Now I got this beauty blender from Dollar Tree, and it's just like my e.l.f. beauty blender, which is supposed to be the closest dupe for the brand beauty blender. I really recommend to go and get you some. They work really well. Then I'm also taking my, I believe, Maybelline concealer. I don't know which one this is or which shade it is, but I mean, it's really good and it covers what I need it to cover for the most part. Now right here, I'm about to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 332. This is a really good powder. It really sets my under eye good, and I don't press it directly under my eye, just right on the cheekbones. It's a little lighter than I would like, but it still does the job. Then taking the good old Coty Airspun on my beauty blender, blowing off the excess, and I'm setting my entire face. Now taking my butter bronzer, and I'm putting it on this e.l.f. brush, and I'm blowing off the excess and putting it on my cheekbones, my temple, the bottom of my nose, and the sides of my nose. These brushes that I'm using in this video came in a e.l.f. brush kit. It was like 5 brushes for like $15. I would really recommend to get it. Now taking my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade 40, which I believe is peach, and I'm doing the exact same thing that I did with the butter bronzer with the blush. After my face is all powdered and blended, I'm taking my e.l.f. setting spray and my Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray and spraying my face. Now I'm going to go in with highlight. This highlighter that I got is like a bronze and highlight duo. I believe that it's a e.l.f. highlighter. I've had it for a really long time, so I honestly really don't remember. But it's really natural and it gives you a glow instead of a highlight. Then for finishing touches, I'm going to put on a coat of mascara. And by a coat, I mean 3, 4, 5, or 6. Last but not least, I'm going to wipe off my lips. I'm going to finish my face off by putting on some eyebrow gel and some lip gloss. And I've also already added my moles back on to my face.